Yes?
Abeno?
Tom! Coming!
Tomu?
Coming!
Hey! Bana, ate gwe oli waawo. Gyebaleko.
Kale.
Hey, Tom gyali?
Tom?
Hey.
Tom is there?
Ate gwe, oli mukazi wa Tom.
I don't understand. What
You don't
you're
understand?
saying? I don't speak Luganda.
Hey. No, I was saying that you cook food, Tom.
You mean that?
You cook food, Tom.
Yeah, I cook for Tom.
Hey, you cook food, Tom.
He's my husband.
Hey. Is your husband?
Why not?
Are you sure?
Sister, I'm not lying to you. I'm here.
Hey. Bw'obanga gwe mukazi wa Tom, kitegeeza weekend mwe muli supposed okulongoosa toilet.
Toilet?
Mwe muli supposed okulongoosa toilet weekend okwata. Mulooza mwajja kuzannya wano. Kwata. Bulungi, kwata n'olweyo. Ate ngoberera, yanguwa.
Tom!
Nkugambye ngoberera.
Tom, come. There's somebody here. I don't understand what she's saying. She's put a broom in my hand.
That is what?
Mbadde ngamba ono bw'aba agambye nti mukyala wo ayite wangobera agenda alongoose toyi. Kubanga eno wiiki yammwe mwe muli supposed okulongoosa toilet.
Yes, you go.
Go where?
Here, you have to go and clean the toilet.
But Tom, I'm busy cooking. You go.
Ngamba gwe nnyabo okwata akadomola.
This is Africa.
Kwata wano.
What do you mean this is Africa?
Yitawo tugende.
Tom, I can't do everything.
Yeah, this is Africa. When you are married, you go work. You can clean the toilet after come back and mop and even cook.
But Tom, you're not even working, you're sleeping. At least help me a little.
Let me sleep in Africa.
Now what if I have children? Me too, I'm still going to feed the children, feed you, clean the toilet, cook.
You can first clean the
Yitawo. Fuluma.
My shoes. Let me put on my shoes.
Yambala zizo, yambala. Yitawo.
Tom, is this love?
Ngoberera yitawo.
Is this love, really?
Yitawo wonna yitawo. Yangu agambe yitawo. Byakwekoza wano mulinga abaga mujjano kwa Afrika kulira buli. Yitawo tandikira mu kinaabiro. Kugambe yitawo tandikira na wano mu kinaabiro yitawo. Mulinga abagamba nti mujja wano ye. Nga kisibi wano bwati. Abajja kulira obulizi wano. Yitawo gera tandikira ogenda kulongoosa eno yonna waggulu. Kugambe yitawo.
It's smelling.
Even if it's smelling, come here. Enter. Gabaga mujjano kusinika businisi manya yingira. Oyina okuuta bino ebisenge.
With this?
Hey!
The walls?
Use your hands.
My hands! Give me a glove.
Where? Wazze mu bufumba wazze kuzannya.
You can't be serious.
Oh,
get sick.
Okuuta ekinaabiro. Nese ofunye n'omukisa ne sabbuuni wewe.
Is this enough soap?
Nyabo, tetuli muzannyo. Kwata tandika okulongoosa. Olinga agamba wano wazze kusinika mayi. Tandika.
I put this?
First smear. Yanguwa. Zino engalo zaali zikozeeko. Yanguwa nsanga omaze ate. Nsanga omaliriza. Owulira? Oba mulinga bagamba. You don't understand what?
What kind of love is this?
Abanze tobingamba mwe mumanyi mulinga abagamba mu toilet mweyambamu yaabwe. Ate kusanga omaliriza. Owulira?
When is Tom going to help me at home? This is not the love I came for.
Mukazi wato.
You can love someone, but they don't see. Tom? I'm tired. I think I need to shower.
You want to do it?
I'm dirty. Let me shower.
You is disturbing my sleep. And now, how may I help you if you want to shower?
I need a towel, please.
Okay, a minute.
But Tom, is it really always going to be like this?
You have the towel and you go shower. You have to wrap it on yourself.
Hey, Tom, people can't see me like this.
Are you going for a party or are you going to shower?
But what if another man sees me wearing this?
Another man? Are you for sale? Why are you talking about another man? I'm here.
You wouldn't be ashamed of them seeing me?
Ashamed? You have to be ashamed of me seeing you now. You can shower. This is not food. You do like this.
At least, Tom, you work, you buy me another
you
towel.
You
And what of my breast? How should I move like this?
And after showering, I want you to put on this. Those things, they don't put on these things in Africa, these ones. Do you know where is the water?
Help me with the jerry can.
After you come and cook, I'm hungry.
It's not enough water.
That one, you don't waste water.
Why can't you bring from the tap there?
Do you fetch water here? You can base this one, you can... Not over talk. You can base this one, then you come back and serve for cooking time.
Have you brought food?
You will go and buy you other woman.
Tom, do you love me? Do you love me? But I have to scrub the toilets. I have to buy the food. I have to clean the house. I have to cook the food. I have to bath the children.
I have not even loved you enough. That's a little love.
But I'm not understanding. If you loved me, would you not want to care for me?
In Africa, that is care. You have to watch your husband.
Caring is me to care for you, but
You
what of
can
you to care
shower,
for
you
me?
can
How are you
shower.
going to care for me?
I will care for you, you can serve. But you enjoy it at night. That is enough for you.